Hello! Over the last few months, a new wallpaper trend is forming. Two wallpapers are popping up around the designer community as a way to splash your home and lock screen with multiple colors. So today I will show you how to download two iPhone wallpapers with split colors. So first we go to Safari and we open Google and search for I download blog. I will put the link. After that we will enter this. It will be easy for you, only you will click and you will go directly to the wallpapers. We enter here do iPhone wallpapers with split colors. Here it is, our wallpaper. Let us try one to see you how to try it. Let us try this. Click here, then click here. After that save to image. After that we go to photo gallery and here it is, our wallpaper. Click on it, then now you cannot see it. Here there is an icon. Click on it, then choose use as a wallpaper, then set both, and here it is. We make this wallpaper photo as our wallpaper. The link will be in the description. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up. See you in another video.